welcome back to my channel. My name is Merceneka and I'm really glad to have each and every one of you with me today. So today's video, just from the title, you're going to be opening this Amazon baby registry box, and also I'm going to detail out the steps you need to take to get one of your own. Before we get right into today's video, guys, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And also, I want to say that over the years, the Amazon baby registry box has actually changed. I did get one in 2019 when I had my baby. So I got this a couple of days ago and I've been really eager to get this open. So now, enough talking, I'm just gonna go right ahead and open this baby. So let's get right into it. How it looks. So apparently it comes in a bag in the box. So pretty much this is what it's looking like. So it says baby registry on the bag, and I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what's in everything. So the first thing, guys, is this bottle. It says Mom Easy Start Anti-Colic and Mom Start. So it's a bottle and suitor, ideal for newborns, and pretty much it's just a pacifier and a Mom bottle. So I have used Mom like quite a lot because that's actually the feeding bottle that my baby took to. He didn't take to any other ones, and thankfully I got like quite a decent number from like the sample bags during his time. So I'm actually glad to have this, you know. So it comes with this, and then it has a pacifier on it. This is the first sample bag I'm seeing this. I could be wrong, but this is a prenatal vitamin. My previous bags for my last baby, I didn't come across anything like this, so I'm quite impressed so far. Then I have this is actually funny. So this, can you all see this? Then this is the front. It says a gift for you. So it's a 3-piece set, guys. It's a hat, a glove, and a socks. It's actually kind of like ironic though, because this is a very girly color. Just in case you can tell, this is, I guess you can say, pinkish orangey if you want to say that. So I'm just gonna open it. Guys, this is it. This is the hat. It's actually really cute, but I'm having a baby boy and I don't see myself putting my baby boy in this. Then it has like the socks, one pair of socks, and then one glove, which is really cool. If you're watching this and you got a gift bag, please let me know what you got. I'm really curious to see what other people got. The next thing, guys, is this. This is the 7th generation diaper. I've never used this, but I've seen this around. So it says sensitive protection, 2 diapers, size 1. So that's what it says. So we're just gonna open it up or not. Moms out there who've used this brand, I'm eager to hear from you. So this is it, size 1. Like, it's so funny because you actually forget how small their bum is when they're just like newborns. So see how small it is. So I'm actually gonna try this out and see. For me, pretty much like the diaper that appeal to me is the Loves or Pampers. So those are the 2 brands I use, but I'm actually open to trying out others. Here's another feeding bottle, guys. This is the Dr. Brown's Anti-Colic bottle. So I got this the last time also in one of the gift bags, but to be honest, I ended up not using it so much because it's like too many pads to bother with during the washing. So I just ended up using it for maybe storage once in a while, but for the most part I stuck to Mom. But it's actually really nice to have these, to have like varieties of options, you know. Never know which one your little baby is going to take to. So this is how it's looking out of the container or out of the packet. So it's 5 ounce, which is like a really decent size for a newborn. And there is a very popular water wipes right here, as you can see. I also have the Abino baby wash and shampoo. There is a Cetaphil baby wash as well. So it's pretty much the same thing. Face and body, gently cleanses and moisturizes baby skin, tears free, hypoallergenic. So this is just going to be one of those things you throw in the diaper bag, never using. This is what I used for my baby. This is what I still use. It's unscented, and honestly it's like the best gift ever. So this is, it says skin protectant, preservative, and fragrance free. So like I said, he's very allergic, so we ended up using like non-scented products, and honestly we're gonna go that route again. So for those of you who might be looking for like a product that is unscented, for those of you who might be looking for unscented products, you probably want to try this out. It's like really good. I'm talking based off of experience. Then there's the gripe water. So this is how it's looking. I never used this. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to use this, but this is what it's looking like. And basically it comes with an insert that says love your welcome box, purchase any item in 3 easy steps, blah 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 blah. So that's it, guys. I'm actually really bummed, to be honest. Like, I was expecting to get like the muslin swaddle, which I did the last time, and like, you know, like the onesie and all that, but I don't see any of that here. I'm just gonna go ahead and give a quick rundown of how you can get yours. So pretty much it's easy. For you to get a free sample bag from Amazon, all you need to do is to open a baby registry for Amazon, and then go through the checklist. So with Amazon, it's actually a bit tricky because they have like checklists for different categories. So they have different subcategories, and in order for you to be eligible to get the box, you have to put items from these different checklists into your registry. And after that, pick an item from your registry that is worth $10 at least and add it to your cart. So kind of like purchase. Okay, what I ended up picking, guys, was the Aquaphor cream ointment that I talked about. So it cost $13. I actually bought that because it's something that we use all the time. So you can buy whatever you want to buy. You can add anything you want to into your registry. So if maybe in the house you need like diapers for your older children, you can actually add it to your registry and then purchase that item, if you know what I mean. So when you purchase the item, it could take as fast as a day, it could take a couple of days, I have no idea, but then you're gonna see on your registry, like the home page is going to say get your free gift box. All right, so all you need to do is click on that, follow the link, and add it to your cart. Don't be discouraged when you see it's $35, because what happens is like it comes up to $35 because according to Amazon, that's the worth of the gift box. But it's gonna come down when you're about checking out to $00. It's gonna give you the option of using the $35 gift card or promotional balance. It's gonna come down from $35 and it's gonna zero out at the end, and basically that's it. You check out and you're pretty much done, right? So it could take as much as a week, as much as 2 weeks, depending. Mine took a little bit over a week, and when you get your registry box or you get your gift bag, you're good to go. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave that down below in the comment section. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you around. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.